This is video 2, so we've already learned how to slip knot and do our chain stitch. We're going to make 3.5 inch samples, 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch squares estimationally. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish our chain, and I'm going to count how many I have here and count all the way up. I end up finishing with 12 to make 3.5, and then I chain one more to get 13 because our last chain we do not include in our count. So I have 13 there. I'm happy with that. It's a little bit over, but I'd rather be a little bit over than underneath because it might shrink as I crochet. So now I'm just going to skip the first loop and go into the second loop. You can work the back, but as a beginner it's probably easier to go just into that top loop. So we insert our crochet hook into that top loop. We're holding the working yarn the same way we were earlier for our chain stitch, in between our index and middle finger. We're gripping with our middle and thumb and pinching the chain that we're working on. So we insert into that loop, and then we pull our yarn over, and we pull it through that loop we went in. So it's a yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our crochet hook. We yarn over, we pull through 1, pull through 2. That's a yarn over, pull through 2. That is a single crochet. We insert back into the main chain into our next stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. This is the hardest part of crocheting, is the foundation row. We'll repeat this to make our shape, but the foundation row is the only row that doesn't have a stitch already done, so it's a little bit harder to work on. So we're going to enter into that loop right there, that top loop that you see, for the next one, number 3, and I'm counting. I know I have 12, so I should have 12 of these that I do. I yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert my hook again, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. We will be continuing this all the way down our chain, counting. I was in ceramics today, so that's just some clay caught in my nail, so just ignore that. I'm going to insert into the chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. I know I have 12 chains to insert in because I skipped the first one, which was 13. So I need to have 12 single crochets when I finish. So I'm going to go ahead and count as I go along. Okay, number 5. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Number 6. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Number 11 here for us, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. It is really easy to skip the last stitch, so really make sure you're counting and you get into that last stitch. Insert into the chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, to finish off and get ready for the next row, I'm counting to make sure that I have 12, and then I will chain 1 by yarning over and pulling through. I'm ready to start the next row by turning it around. You'll go to the next video, video 3.